Foxy. This is our 3rd year dating now.
Oh, yeah, it is. So just give me my gift already.
You give me my gift first.
Fine. There, pumpernickel.
I love it. I'm going to put it in my panties. And now I have an awesome gift for you. You're going to love it so much, you're going to admire it.
Your panties?
No! This!
What the hell is that?
It's a toy car. I thought you'd like it.
I'm not a 2-year-old waiting for Santa on Christmas morning.
Well, I thought you would like it. If you don't, I'll just snap our engagement ring.
No.
Okay. Well, I thought you would like it.
Well,
You're always talking about
I do.
sports cars.
I do. I never talk. Yeah, those are sports cars, but not. What the heck is that? Is that a car made out of pee?
No.
Did you make it yourself?
Yes. Especially because it matches your eyes and my eyes.
So you're thinking about yourself.
No. I'm thinking about us.
Oh, anyway, what do you think about me when you see me?
My panties fly.
Are they dirty?
Maybe.
Want to go to dinner?
Sure. But one thing that will make me so happy in the world.
No.
Bring that toy car to dinner with us. We're going to have so much fun.
Oh, hell no.
Then I'll just snap our engagement ring.
No.
So you'll bring the toy car?
Fine.
Oh, you're going to make my panties fly again. Ooh.
Make sure they're dirty. I'll be there to pick it up. I'll bring it to my house.
Really?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
What did I just do?
What do you mean, what did you just do?
I just kissed you.
Hi folks, welcome to Olive Garden. What would you like to order today? I would like a pineapple sangria and spaghetti. What would you like, sir?
I would like cut up pork, pig, whatever, but not fox, or else you'll die. But
Yes, okay.
And anyway,
We don't have any fox.
okay, good. So anyway, I want a really, 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 really hot, sharp knife.
Foxy, why do you need a very, very hot, sharp knife?
Don't break up with me after this. I'm not killing somebody. It's just that pork here, it's just like so hard.
Okay. Waiter. Oh, yes, ma'am? Don't forget our lovely guest. It's a toy car. I know, but he's still a person. Sir, can I talk to you?
Sure.
Is she going mental?
Yes, I think she is.
Okay, well, what would your toy car like to eat? Foxy! Why would you do that?
This is a piece of exotic butters. 4-year-old.
A 4-year. I don't care about the 4-year-old. It's not my problem. Okay. Let's just get chicken nuggets, and I'm coming right up with your stuff. Comes back.
Don't forget the hot knife.
Yep, I remember now.
You have a
Okay.
problem.
Here's your pineapple sangria. Thank you. And your spaghetti. Here's your very hot knife.
Bruh, you didn't get us anything. It's air. Oh
He's
my
not coming
God.
back, is he?
No. Do you not do it? Foxy, you're so rude. I don't care. I can't believe you did this. I don't care. I'm taking away your greatest yar. It's a word. So I can take it out of your brain. I'd like to see you try. After our date. I don't even want to ask. This lady is so mental. Then why do you date me? Because you look beautiful. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. Here you go. That woman is knocked down over there. I took out the woman. So when's our food coming up? Knocked down myself. Coming up in a second. Well, when we're done cooking it, of course. Maybe you no, I'm making you pay 20 more bucks. Really? It's my freaking anniversary. I gave her my last pumpernickel. Well, you're gonna have to pay more pumpernickels. Are you serious? I am. Anyway, ma'am, if you're breaking up with him after this, then why are you dating him now? I have no clue. Wiggle, 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 bip, 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 bip. I know where you live. Well, anyway, so I'm sorry for throwing your toy car. It's annoying. It's getting in the way of our relationship. Are you saying that you don't like it? All around me are familiar faces. No. I'm totally not saying that, babe. It's just, I'm so sorry. Okay, I like it. I'll put it on my top desk. Okay, you'll love it. Okay, good. So, when do you think our food is coming? I don't know. Hello, would you guys like anything to drink? Mario, I thought you were dead. Nah. Oh, that was my Alaskan cousin. But I thought you were Italian. Who knows? Mario? We already have a table person. Oh, okay, bye. Wow, you're just gone in a glitch. Okay, so... Oh, our food's coming. Okay, there's your spaghetti and green peas, and... Here's your really hot knife. That's plastic. It would burn. And... Cold as Antarctica. I guess that's your heart right now since she's gonna break up with you. Bye. Oh, I'll serve your fox after. Did you look at the menu? Do they have fox here? Actually, all they sell here is fox. The place is called the Fox Hound. I thought this was Olive Garden! I'm a fox and I'm red, but you can't see that. I'm really mad. 'Cause I am already red. Oh my God. Actually, all they sell here is fox. The place is called the Fox Hound. I thought this was an Olive Garden. Olive Garden. I don't know if it's Olive Garden. I thought you won a spelling bee in 2nd grade. We're animatronic. We don't go to school. We only go to the tech center to get new parts. Oh, that makes sense, but my face is really red. It would be if I was white, but I'm red and I'm red. You just can't see it. Gotta calm my anger down. This is plastic. It's plastic. And those are peas in a can. I'm giving this place a 0-star rating. Better not. You'll see. I won't give it any rating. At least that's better. So Foxy, what else you want to talk about? I don't know, I'm so mad, but I think I'm just gonna explode. Oh, okay, Foxy. Do it? Ah, what the heck did you do to my girlfriend? You stupid car freak thing! Oh my god! What am I gonna do? It looks like she's in a knockout. I have to run! Oh no! It's surrounding me. What the heck? Why'd you do that? You knocked out my girlfriend. Now I have to do something. I can't move. You got my ears. Why are you here? Do you know the way? No, I do not know the way. I know the way for my bite to go in your face. You do not know the way. I don't care about the stupid way. Let me go, you stupid toy car. Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Buddy, Carl, inverted versions. Why the heck do you need inverted versions? There's, oh, I know. Take Phantom Fox. He doesn't mean me. You're supposed to be colorful. Oh, now I get it. D-way. Stop doing that. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? There's more ways.